Hello everyone, hope all are safe and doing well. Before going to start this video, I wish everyone a very happy Vinayaka Chauthi and wish you all health and wealth in the name of Sri Ganapati. On this special occasion, we are very excited to share some more new courses for you all. We would be so happy if you share these online free course videos to your maximum friends on this special day to learn something new. We are coming with the new concepts and happy to inform you that we'll conduct live on coming days to share the information that many of you people raised. The only thing you people need to do is to watch to the full videos and get knowledge daily and to like our videos. If you are new to our channel, subscribe immediately and click on the bell icon for more updates. Here we go. The first course is English Writing Basics. Learn to write sentences in English. Here we can learn basic English sentence patterns through lectures and vocabulary practice so you can confidently write in English. Instead of paying 1280 rupees, it is 100% off and only one day left at this price. For the upcoming students who are in low standards now, will help a lot for you people to learn English writing basics. And we can see that requirements description here on the left side. On the right side you can also see that course includes 3 hours only, which of 2 articles, and also full-time access will get the certification after the completion of our course. We can also see the course content, everything, which are divided into 4 sections only, including introduction part. So copy the coupon and apply for it. And the second course is Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 Video Editing for Beginners. Here we can learn how to edit amazing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 with zero experience. Here we can see with zero experience we can learn video editing in amazing manner. And also we can see that 1,86,634 students had enrolled, and it is the recent published video, course. And also we can see that instead of paying 6,080 rupees, it is 100% off and only one day left at this price. Hurry up guys, we won't get again if we lose this chance. We can also see that requirements, description, and what we'll learn in this course, everything. The course includes of 5.5 hours on demand video and also having 13 articles, full-time access. We can also see on mobile we'll get the certification once after the completion of our course. And the course content is of only 6 sections. We can complete in 6 hours, so no need to worry about this. And the content is my introduction, my techniques, everything audio, the incredible toolbox, rendering and exporting, bonus learning. Don't miss this section. And just copy the coupon and apply for it. Do the enroll part. Here we can see the third course, that is Complete Guide to Pinterest and Pinterest Growth 2020. We can see Pin Heroes Advanced Guide to Pinterest Business, Pinterest Growth, Tailwind and more. If you are interested to do this course, copy the coupon and apply for it. Instead of paying 6,400 rupees, it is 100% off, which is one day only left at this price. We can also see the requirements, description, and the course modules, which are introduction, content, scheduling, maintenance, applications. Only 5 sections and of 17 lectures we can complete within 5 hours. So copy the coupon and apply for it. Do the enroll part. And the fourth course is Adobe Photoshop course, the complete guide step by step. Here we can complete step by step guide to learn Adobe Photoshop from beginner level to an advanced level. We can also have the projects here in this course. Instead of paying 4,800 rupees, it is 100% off and only one day left at this price. 16,800 plus students had enrolled. So be the one in this course. We can also see the course content, description, requirements, everything on the left side of the web page. And you can also see that the course includes 1.5 hours on demand video full-time access, and we'll get the certification after the completion of our course. The course content are introduction to Adobe Photoshop, basic tools in for editing, creating a 2D scene with Photoshop, working with images, retouching in Photoshop, typography basics, filters, conclusion. Don't miss this course. Copy the coupon and do the enroll part now. Fifth course is Learn Freelancing to Grow Quickly at Marketplace. Find exactly what you want to learn, from how to get started freelancing career to grow quickly at Marketplace. 10,800 plus students had enrolled to this. It is recently published one. Instead of paying 1,280 rupees, it is 100% off. 2 days left at this price, so don't miss this chance. And you are able to share to your maximum friends, so hurry up guys. Don't forget to share to your friends because they'll get these courses for free, right? You can also see the included course content on the left side of this page, practice sets, everything, description. On the right side we can see that 6 practice sets and also full-time access. So copy the coupon and apply for it. And the sixth course, that is step-by-step guide to machine learning, a beginner's guide to learn machine learning including hands-on from scratch. We can see that 72,000 students had enrolled to this course. Instead of paying 1,280 rupees, it is 100% off now and 2 days left at this price. So guys, don't be late. Share to your maximum friends so that they'll get to know some new knowledge from this video and this course. We can also see that learning part, description, everything here. The course content are introduction to machine learning and data wrangling, linear models, trees and pre-processing, model evaluation, feature selection and pipelining, Bayes, nearest neighbors and clustering, SVM, anomalies, imbalanced classes, assemble methods. And we can also see that the course is of 7 hours full-time access. We'll get the certification after the completion of this video. Course. So copy the coupon and apply for it to the enroll part. And the 7th course is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners. Here we can learn the foundation of HTML and CSS to create fully customized mobile responsive web pages. 63,000 plus students had enrolled to this course. Instead of paying 8,640 rupees, it is 100% off and also 2 days left at this price. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Share to your maximum friends who are in the educational stream, that is computer science and technology. It is the most useful course, I think, for beginners. We can also see the course content, which are having only 2 sections, that is HTML development and CSS development. We can also see that we can complete in 4 hours. We'll get the certification after the completion of this course and we'll get 2 downloadable resources and full-time access. So copy the coupon and apply for it to the enroll part. And the final course is Build an Amazon Affiliate e-commerce store from scratch. We can earn passive income by building an Amazon affiliate e-commerce store using WordPress, WooCommerce, Ozone and Elementor. Only 3 students had enrolled to it. I think for the people who are interested in Amazon, they can get this course for free now. Instead of paying 2,240 rupees, it is 100% off. And you will see the course content. that is of 5 sections and which are having 28 lectures: introduction, domain registration and hosting, installing and configuring WordPress, building an Amazon affiliate store using WooCommerce and Elementor, bonus and on autopilot. We can see that the course includes 5 hours and 1 downloadable resource. We'll get full-time access and we'll also get the certification after the completion of this course. So copy the coupon and apply for it. Do the enroll part. To get access of these free online courses, go to our description and click on the links. You can enroll quickly. If you like this video, again put a like for us, share to your maximum friends. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel immediately and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you, yours Educo Career.